Hi there, I'm James and welcome fellow E36 owners. Today I'm going to be changing this indicator bulb over here, that one there, because it's blown. Should be a simple job, but there's a little idiosyncrasy with the bulbs that I want to share with you, particularly if you've got orange lenses like this car. Let me show you what. There's nothing remotely difficult about doing this indicator lens, and if we look through here, see if we can get in, there's just a couple of clips in there that you just press and hold, and you can just pull out. Let's get it to focus, there we go. Press and hold, and then out comes our bulb. And I know from a fact that this one is blown. Let's have a quick look. And there we go. So far, so simple, but the thing to note here is that when you undo it, and you have a look at the end, the pins are not directly opposite each other. They are off at an angle. And every resource I've used to buy indicator bulbs or to look for indicator bulbs suggests that this car takes a 382 bulb, which would have a pin there and a pin directly opposite. Unlike here, where we've got a pin at, I think, a 10-degree angle. Everything else about the bulb is completely the same. It's just the angle of those pins, but the holder, if you look at the holder, is also offset. So you need not a 382 like Euro car parts and all those other websites say, but a 981. Sorry, my bad, a 581. So not a 382, a 581. I've bought two so I can do both sides. And apparently the difference is that our offset pins is an orange bulb and non-offset pins is a clear bulb. There we go, orange bulb, offset pins. Anyway, let's get that installed, should be nice and easy. So there's my old junk bulb, let's get rid of that. And then just, these were I think £2.49 or something from Euro car parts. Lucas brand obviously. And then just pop it in there, turn it a little bit, and then it's just a case of inserting it back in the holder, which you can see through this gap here that I showed earlier. So just pop that in there, hold that, get a nice little click. There you go. Let's check that that's now working. And yes, there we go, working perfectly. I'm going to do the other side and then cut back in. So again, just like before, nice and easy, visible through there, just put your hand in the back, squeeze those tabs together, and out they come. Let's have a look at this. Ah, interesting. This one is a different bulb with a different holder. What on earth is going on? It's going to cause some confusion, isn't it? Right, have a look at that. That is a 382 because the pins are straight to each other. So somebody has changed that holder. I'm guessing it's a different colour. That's really awkward, isn't it? So I just thought this gives us a good opportunity to compare these two bulbs together, and you can see how the pins are offset on the orange one. Look at that versus the straight pins on that one. Not quite sure what to do about my issue, of course, so let's just zoom out a second. Has this light been hit and changed? Has somebody changed this connector? I don't know, but this bulb works actually as it goes. I was just putting in another one. I've bought two just to even things up. So I'm road legal, so I'll pop that back in. So this has got me intrigued. So I've got the bulb holder out from the passenger side here in the UK. And what we can see here is that this has no BMW markings on it at all. That's that new bulb I've just put in. And on this side, we've got BMW markings. Here we go, BMW, and part number up here, just up there. So I'm assuming this is original. Certainly feels much older and looks a lot older than this one. So Euro car parts are right all the time. It does take a 382. And obviously somebody's inserted the holder for a clear lens car. Intriguing. Anyway, let's put this all back together and get myself with two working indicators. So that's not gone quite as expected. I certainly wasn't anticipating that would be different. I did think it was a bit odd that orange indicator lens had an orange indicator bulb. That didn't make any sense. It makes more sense to have a clear bulb behind. Easier, cheaper, whatever. So I think this one is the right one. Orange indicator, clear bulb holder, clear bulb, 382. Well done Euro car parts for having that right in your database. That one's clearly the wrong one. So a 581 is an orange bulb, that's definitely true, and it does have those offset pins, but it is wrong for that. Although, as you've seen, it seems to work absolutely fine. The principle though is this, I think. If you're going to be changing your indicator bulbs on your E36, pull your bulbs out first. Don't just assume that the one you've got in there is the one that the people online will say that you've got. There's always these idiosyncrasies to catch us out. Thanks for watching then, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay safe with your E36s. I hope you enjoy them too, though. If you've liked this video, let me know. Hit like. And if you like this kind of content, then let me know too and hit subscribe. And I look forward to coming to you in a new video very soon. Thanks and goodbye.